Hi, I'm Elizabeth Davis, the Student Success Librarian at Rosemont College, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about writer's block. Now, to give you a bit of background, I have a PhD in history and I have two master's degrees, one in history and one in library science. And in all of my degrees, I've had to do a lot of research and write research projects, whether it's a research thesis or a PhD dissertation. And writer's block happens, and it is frustrating and it is terrifying. And there's always going to be that little part in the back of your head going, I need to be writing now. Why am I tired of writing? Why can't I overcome this? And you can go on Google and find all of these videos or all of these websites saying, here's how you overcome writer's block. But you know what? Writer's block is normal, it's natural. Writer's block means that your brain needs time to process. And it means, you know what? It's going to come. It's really going to come. When I was doing my PhD dissertation and my first master's thesis, I would get terrible writer's block where I'd sit there and I'd look at the computer, just completely stare at it. And I couldn't think of like what to say. I had the research in front of me and I couldn't think about how to actually say what I wanted to. And one of the best things that I discovered for writer's block is to get away from the computer. Get up, take a walk, do yoga, watch something funny, something that takes your mind off it, listen to music, do the dishes, dance around. Don't feel guilty. Do something that makes you feel so much better, that takes your mind off it. And most of the time, within 24 hours, you're going to find, oh, I know what I want to write now. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. I've had times where I've had writer's block for a week and then had to come back and go, oh, now I finally know what I want to say. So writer's block is completely okay. 100% okay. That being said, start working on your project early. Time management is so essential. Don't wait until a week before your thesis or capstone is due to try and crank it out in one night. It's not going to work well, and if writer's block hits, you won't have the time to let your brain rest and process. I hope this helps explain writer's block and why it shouldn't freak you out. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by my office. I'm in Kistler 103.